An Ethereum weekly update. Welcome everybody. This is the fitness and finance channel where health is wealth, cash flow is king, cash is queen, and credit is freedom. Think about that. It's something I'm learning and working on and want to share with you is that when it comes to fitness and finance, our health is wealth. We want to be healthy, right? So you're going to see a lot of videos on a whole nother playlist just about fitness. This one's going to be on finance, but health is wealth. We must have our health. It doesn't matter how much wealth we have monetarily for millions or billions or whatever it is, thousands. Then if we don't have our health, that we're going to be in bad shape, right? So health is wealth. Cash flow. We used to think that cash is king, right? But now the saying is consider this that cash flow is king, right? Cash flow is king. I'm gonna make sure I have a good volume. Cash flow is king. And okay, it is working. Okay. Cash flow is king, not cash. All right. So health is wealth. Cash flow is king. Cash is queen, and credit is freedom. Right now, before I get started too far, I do want to share with you that I'm learning and promoting. I'm looking for anybody that wants to do this alongside with me. I'm a part of an academy. It's called the I Am Academy. And this is what the back office looks like. If you were to be a part of the I Am Academy, you would, if you were a member, you would have this back office right here. You would have this back office. This is where I'm, I don't know. I feel like over the next 5 to 10 years, there's a lot going on in the digital assets world, and that this can really help us increase our cash flow. So if you want to be a part of the academy and learn, I mean, you are learning. This is full on academy. So you're going to have academies like pre-recorded basic information on digital assets to get you started just from the beginner perspective to the more advanced perspective. And then you're going to learn also how to leverage, which is something that I'm working on. This is part of what this video is going to be about, is scalp trading, right? Okay, I'm going to tell you what that is in a minute. But then also too, every week, Sunday through Saturday, we have live teachings every week. We have over 200 different instructors on the academy. So, most academies that I've seen online are from, you have a single instructor. You have one instructor that's teaching everything. And I'm sure they're great. But how great can you be when you have over 200 different instructors? We have over 200 different instructors in the academy. And if you want to be a part of the academy, all you have to do is message me if you have questions. But if you just want to go ahead and join, you click the link to join. It's about $225 for the first month, and then $175 every month after that. And if you're motivated, you don't want to make that monthly payment. If you refer 3 people to the academy, no, it's 2 people. If you refer 2 people to the academy, they'll waive your membership fee. So, and then if you want to promote it like I'm doing, my goal is to build it up to 500 different members. That's my goal. At 5, and think about all the help we're doing for the world, and we can push I have a vegan agenda, I have a fitness agenda that I'm marketing out. And so that money can really help us move our message, right? And it can help you move your message, whatever it is you're being an activist about. So you get all this. You get all this as being part of the academy. Now, one more thing before we get started into the charts, I want to share with you my thought process when it comes to my investing. All right. And this is something I've just learned. I'm an amateur in investing, but I'm learning and I'm passing on what I know. So there's basically, this is called the cash flow formula. It's called the cash flow formula. This is from Robert Kiyosaki. If you want to pick up any of his information, he has a YouTube channel on YouTube. Very, very beneficial. This is just the basics of it. So he has the ESBI formula. The E is employee, S is self-employed, B is you own your own business, I is your investments. This is where our cash flow, yours, my cash flow coming somewhere from these 4 columns. Whether you're an employee for someone, or if you're self-employed, where you own a business or you have investments that's producing income for you. So now we take our income, right? What do we do with the income? Ideally, if you want to win and play the cash flow game, I have to show you. I actually have a cash flow board game that I bought from Mr. Robert Kiyosaki, and it's called the cash flow game. So if you want to win the game, we want to have our passive, our business, our investment income to supersede our monthly bills, right? Our monthly expenditures. So once that happens, you are winning the cash flow game, right? So I take the income, put it in the assets. What are assets? It depends on what you're comfortable with. But these are the assets, some of them that I like: real estate, crypto, gold, silver, and stocks. Okay, those are the assets that I'm getting into. Now, when it calls into trading, this is what I'm talking about today. I want to narrow in the topic and get moving on this. Is trading. There's 4 basic types of trading. Position trading, buy and hold, sell down the road. I am buying some things, and then I'm going to hold on to it for hopefully, God willing, many years, and I'm going to sell it later. Position trading. Swing trading. I have an account specifically set up for swing trading. You sell, you buy at the, depending on what you want to do. Swing trading, ideally, you buy low, sell high, or sell high and then buy low. Did I say that right? So you swing trading the highs and lows basically of the week, like every 7 to 10 days, kind of, right? Okay. All right. Hang on 1 second. 1 second. Are you heading to the gym? Hello?
Hi.
Hey, can you call back in 2 minutes?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Okay, so these are the types of trading: position trading, swing trading, scalp trading. That's what I'm going to go over today, and momentum trading. Okay, now let's look at a chart real quick. I'm going to show you just how fast this is. Scalp trading is trading on the short time intervals, right? It's trading on the short time intervals, minutes to hours, the day. Okay, so what we're going to do, I'm going to do this real fast. Let's see here. I'm looking for, I'm going to put Bitcoin right now for you inside of a box. I'm going to show you how we are learning to do it. Red, I'm setting this chart up for the week. And you do that. Green. See how fast can I do this? Okay. All right. Now, okay, this is it right here. I'm putting Bitcoin inside of a box. I'm using a touch system by one of the teachers, Sean. He teaches this. If you want to learn this system, you just jump in this class right here. Okay. I'm going to show you how fast it is. I'm going to go ahead and save it. BTC, November 20th, 2022. I'm just saving my work. 4:45 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Now, I like my top zone to be green. Okay. I'll save it. Now I'm going to add the super trend, because super trend is our friend. Okay. Now I'm going to set up my settings on super trend because Sean said so, and that's just what works best. I don't know any other reason. So now you see I'm actually in a short right now. My trade's up about 10% and going down. I got in around here. It's down here, but it may keep going down. I'm going to keep adding to it. If we close and hold right here, it's a good chance. It's a good chance this red line will be the next resistance. So hopefully it'll go down again. That's my hope. But I am in a trade and it's profitable either way. But this is so now this is the idea. So actually they gave us a break and close below right here. The system gave us this trade right here. So I took it. And now we can add to it if it goes below here. Okay? So that's Bitcoin. Now, let's look at Ethereum real quick. I'm going to switch this to a line chart. Added my lines. Ooh, this is a tough one for me. Ooh. I'm going to go here. We'll see where they gave us the break and close below. It actually gave us, and I took some of that. So now we're looking, if we were just like looking for the next best time to get in, when will we get in? So I'm thinking that might be it. Hey, can you hold on a second? Can you hold on a second?
Oh, sure.
Okay. Okay. So that would be the points right there. That's going to be a target zone, this top one here. So but I'm just going to take it off for now. All right, I'm just going to label this real quick, and then we'll be done. Let's see here. So now I'm just going to add the super trend. This is our indicator that's specifically just to the IM Academy. It's called Super Trend. Nobody else has it. Just we have it. And if you want to be a member with me and collaborate with me on this and draw your own zones, then you can just become a member. You can contact me. My information is inside the description of the video, or you can just go ahead and sign up because the link's in the description of the video. So now I'm just saving my work. ETH 4:45 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So I'm saving that. Okay, so that's it. It looks like you're looking for the next best time to get into the market. But if this holds below this zone right here, that's when I'm going to add more to my personal settings, to my personal trades. And then I do like what's available to a lot of people anywhere. I do like to watch the RSI. It's called the stochastic RSI. So I like to add that in there. And then that tells me a lot. That's just another thing you'll learn as time goes on, but it's just another tool to just kind of confirm when's a good time to get in, when's a not good time to get out. Okay, so that's it. Well, I hope if you have any questions, this is Bitcoin put into a box right here. If you have any questions, send me a message. I'm looking for one person right now who wants to go on this journey with me, and let's take advantage of what's going to happen over the next several years with digital assets. It's a growing. And if you're not with it, you're going to be probably sad when you're left behind, when you're looking backwards and how, what all happened. All right, that's it for now, and we'll see you on the next lesson.